Welcome to this 4-bedroom, 2-bath tour of an 1,800 square foot plus home. Immediately on the entry, you're going to see a hallway to the right. This is the first room, and in the middle of the hallway to the right is a bathroom and another room almost identical in size. As we leave that area, we're going to see another small hallway to the left, and here you will see bedroom number 3, about the same size. And as we go back out into that hallway, we passed a laundry room, which you see here, which is another typical laundry room size. And then we enter into the main space of this home, the entertaining space. We have living, dining, and kitchen combo with a nice size island. This is about a 4-seater, even though I think it shows 3 seats. But it's very open, nice to entertain. Here's another view looking toward the living area where you can have your television, your couch, wonderful space to sit down and relax to watch a game, etc. And right there you see the door that leads into your master bedroom. This master bedroom is a very spacious bedroom. It also has a very nice master bathroom. We'll see that here in a second, shown with double sinks, standard shower, and then a very nice size closet in the master. Then you have hidden away, I don't know if you saw that, to the left is your commode. And here's one more look, one walk out. Very long hallway, lots of natural light coming in through that door that they have. They're showcasing it, beautiful door. But if you have more questions, hey, reach out to me. You got my number down in the description below. Like, subscribe, bell notification icon.